case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1982 case of Chatlos Systems, Inc. v. National Cash Register Corp., the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit affirmed the district court's decision in calculating damages for breach of warranty over a computer system. Chatios Systems sued National Cash Register Corp. For delivering a computer system that didn't meet the terms of their agreement. The district court had awarded damages based on the benefit of the bargain formula, which calculates the difference between the fair market value of the goods received and the value they would have had if they had been as promised. National Cash Register Corp. Appealed, arguing that the district court made an error in its calculations. However, the appellate court found that the district court had not erred in not recognizing the contract price as the fair market value of the delivered computer system and ultimately upheld its award of damages. The court affirmed the judgment after properly considering evidence of fair market value and making credibility determinations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.